Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I won't bore you with a long intro. You saw what happened at the start of the video. The picture gets really dark right after powering on the console. So basically, I ordered this RGB SCART cable for my SNES console, but instead of getting the PAL version I asked for, I ended up with the NTSC one. To sort this out, you'll need 3 75-ohm resistors on the RGB lines in place of the capacitors. And of course, you can find them along with the tools and equipment I used in this video on my beacons page below. And now, let's get started. Since the pins are additionally secured with glue, I won't touch them. I'll just trim the capacitor legs. So let's go line by line, starting from the blue wire. Now I'll solder the resistor onto the blue line, and after that, I'll repeat the process on the green and the red. And finally, you can protect the lines with electrical tape, just in case, to avoid any interference. Now, let's put it back together and see the result. As you can see, it worked. We now have a full RGB signal without any interference. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes like this. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.